What's up, guys? It's July 4th and it's 5:30 in the morning and it's race day. Yeah. I wasn't planning on waking up until about 6:10-ish, but I woke up at 3:30 this morning and then I woke up at 5-ish. I slept pretty good last night, but I need to go make some coffee. Happy 4th of July. That's what I calls it.
It's early.
All right. Well, now that it is not as early as the butt crack of dawn, is that a saying? Okay, and it's 7:12, which is like an hour and a half-ish later. Good morning! Welcome to today's vlog. It is July the 4th. We have a race, as I've already told you about, and it's 4 miles instead of a 5K. We don't know why. Jess is here with me. She's driving with her super cool sunglasses. And we're headed to Edge Hill in Nashville because that's where the race is today. My goal today is to just be able to finish the race without stopping. It's only 4 miles, come on, like, how hard is it? It's not that difficult. We made it, and I'm gonna switch over to my phone because this is another event where I don't want to carry this big camera thing around.
I don't, because you do. I don't need to.
I know this guy. Come here. Look at this. I haven't even started running yet. We are the sweatiest ones.
We are.
We haven't even started running
I'm
yet.
thinking about running and I'm sweating.
Across the finish line.
All right, we got this.
All right. Here we go. It's only 4 miles, come on, like, how hard is it? It's not that difficult. Oh my God. It's not that difficult. I did it. It was so
And then after you've gotten some water, go up to the race area, get that free race day banana. We want to make sure we have lots of room for everyone.
We did it! Hey! We're not dead.
Well,
Not yet. But it's really hot. This is Jessica. This is Wilma. This is Ted.
Hey!
We just got done with our 4-mile race, and it was really hot and really long, and we're really sweaty.
Justin nailed it.
Yes. I came in first place overall. This is the medal that they gave me.
Woo.
First place overall.
Out of all of us.
Out of all of us, yeah. They gave these medals to everybody.
Team justice.
I did come in second, to be clear.
So, we're gonna go have breakfast now. All right, well, the afternoon is officially here. It's after lunch. We just got back from a restaurant, 417 Union. It was really good. We're really tired. I'm really tired. Desmond's just excited that I'm back. Get right, buddy. Come here, Desmond. Say hello to the camera. Say hello. Hello, camera. Hi. I'm Desmond. Ow, you're stepping on my leg. Later, we're gonna go back downtown. I know that sounds crazy, to watch the fireworks because Jessica's parents are in town and they have a hotel room, and you can see we'll be able to see the fireworks from there. So we're gonna take Desmond with us. Is that right, Desmond? He don't know it yet because he doesn't understand. We're gonna take him. Would you just be still? There's a place for us to stay, so I think we may just stay the night so we don't have to deal with the traffic. Hi. Hi, buddy. My feet really hurt, so I'm gonna do this. That's super cold. Lord. That freaking hurts. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. Okay, bud. It's okay. Hey, Jess.
Hey, babe.
You know, there's one thing that we haven't done today, and it's July the 4th. We haven't grilled anything. The only thing that could make this day any better is to grill some. Let's go to Publix. This should be enough to eat, right?
Somewhere in the mist I can see you hanging on a kiss, dreaming of the time going by when we would let each other die. Wake up and we would touch the sky. If I only wish ever came true, I'd hang on to your lips like a try to drop a hole in
Bad boys. All right, here's the final product. I made a double cheeseburger, 2 patties and 2 cheeses. Lettuce and tomato, ketchup and mustard. Looking good. And then, to top off with a nice 4th of July dessert, it's raspberries.
It's called trifle.
It's called trifle. Raspberries, shortcake, blueberries, strawberries, and homemade whipped cream. It's so bad. Just kidding, it's really good. It's really good. We're headed downtown. It's 7 o'clock. This is the Hilton.
Thank you so much.
We made it to the Hilton. Jess is taking Desmond on a walk because he's freaking the flip out. Drop that. Got our stuff here. And then Wilma should be rolling in here in just a second to let us in. But oh my goodness, check this out. Wow. This place is freaking huge.
And he's tired of spiking.
And then he's fine. But he's come back here. She keeps saying, hey, baby. Okay, that's true. Look, Dad, look up here.
Wow, that was pretty chaotic. Probably what you just saw, how I just recorded all of that, that was how it actually felt. It was very chaotic. We can order room service as well. That's what your mom said. So can I get a s'mores bar? Ice cream is $8. I don't know what we're gonna do for the next couple hours. The fireworks don't start until about 9:30. You're definitely gonna get to see those, and maybe I'll put some really cool montage music over the top of it. I don't know, but we're just gonna kind of hang out. Should I give them like a room tour? This is the front door. This is where you come in, and then we've got a little desk area right here. This is your couch, very IKEA looking-ish, and it's a pull-out couch. Some nice wall art, a cool lamp.
I feel like there should be
Entertainment
some
center.
backlighting behind the TV.
That would be pretty dope. I would do that. You got your bathroom here, pretty cool. Desmond's got his setup over here. We got our setup over here, and then an identical entertainment center with 2 full-size beds. This is the cool part. Check this out. 2 big windows. It's too bad there's not a balcony.
I know, that'd be awesome. We're still gonna have a really great view though.
Here's our view. We're about 6 floors up. You got Titan Stadium, well, Nissan Stadium where the Titans play. The Batman building, and then that's Broadway right there where all the people are. Lots of people, lots of things going on, lots of food trucks, lots of cops. Yeah, fireworks are probably gonna be, where are are they inside the stadium?
They're typically right in front of.
Okay, so right in front of the stadium, right on the river. And then you've got your pedestrian bridge right there with all the pedestrians. Yeah, we're just gonna hang out, have a nice evening, maybe get some food from some food trucks, even though we've already eaten those burgers and corn. Maybe we'll be hungry in an hour or so. I don't know. It's possible. Might get hungry, might not. We'll see. Maybe get a funnel cake. Last year's funnel cake was not good.
And we waited like 2 hours.
We did, and check this out. I gotta tell you this. We weren't dating at the time. This was 5 days before I asked her out, and I kind of had a little bit of a crush on her. We stood in line for a funnel cake, and it was really hot, kind of like today.
I thought you were maybe gonna ask me out that night on the 4th of July.
Here, show them what you did. So we were cramped in the back of a car on our way back to my apartment, and this is what she was sitting kind of to my left, like kind of like this. I was in the middle.
I was pretty squished, and I was really tired, and I just kind of laid my head down and.
It was a very Pam and
Took a little
Jim
nap.
moment.
So we can like run in a full circle around this thing. We've been chasing Desmond, but all of a sudden we decided to play hide and seek. Dustin's hiding back here. There he is!
All right, real quick. So I went and got us a snack. This is an ice cream sandwich.
I'm
at
sharing with
this.
Des.
Look how big this thing is.
There's no way.
Ice cream sandwich. This is Dez's portion. I'm gonna enjoy mine. These are not the Nashville fireworks, but you can see just in the background just a multitude of fireworks going off all over the place. Just multitudes. Lots and lots. Oh! There they are! Whoa!